Good morning, hello, welcome to the channel. It is officially fall. I'm actually rewatching Turned because I didn't find anything else to watch. So I just did this makeup look and I'm like it really fits into the witchy vibe. It's not what I was going for, but all of it, I kind of like it actually. It's pretty fitting for the season. So yeah, welcome to the channel. We are going to do this fall makeup look. I'm actually going on a date. I'm overwhelmed. There's just so many things in front of me. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply foundation. I'm using my Dior Backstage foundation. I've already primed my face, so I go ahead and put a few drops on my hand and then I apply it. And then I usually do a second layer for fuller coverage depending on what I need. Most of the time I apply it with my fingers, but I don't know, I just wanted to use the brush. Then I'm going ahead with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer that I apply under my eyes, at the end of my eyes, and around my nose and on some redness that I have on my cheek. As you can see, I was kind of breaking out. And then I go ahead and like pat it with my little brush, and whatever product I have left, I apply as a primer on my eyelids. Then I don't really know what happened, but with eye makeup, I went a little crazy. I started with a black color on the outer corner of my eye, and then I blended it using a fluffy brush. And then I outlined the waterline, the bottom waterline of my eye with a dark brown color, so I didn't use the black for this part. I usually have a tape of some sort, but I didn't have anything, so I used just a makeup sample tube as a outline. And then I blended it more with brown color. And then I cleaned up whatever mess I wanted to clean up. I'm not that good with eye makeup, that's something. And then I went ahead with a dark red shade. A little bit more of concealer. I went ahead and cleaned up all around the eyeshadows so I could get that shape that I wanted to get. And then I went ahead and applied some glitter on top, but you can't really see it on camera. It's a dark brown glitter. Then I went ahead with mascara with my Maybelline Sky High. It's the only mascara I've been using lately. And then with my one and only MAC that I'm about to finish, I've had this literally forever. I use my bronzer as a contour. I know that's not what you're supposed to do, but I've always done it this way. And then I brush my eyebrows after I'm done with everything, so just to clean them up and remove any makeup or anything that I had left on them. And then I went crazy with this too, the blush. I shouldn't have applied it like this. It was a mess to blend and I kind of messed it up a bit. Switched the brush. I tried to blend it better with another brush, but it didn't really work, so I was going a little crazy. And then I kind of gave up and applied powder brush just to conceal the very visible red dots that I couldn't blend. Last but not least, I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics highlighter. And for lips, I'm using a NYX lip liner. my MAC Cosmetics lipstick. And set the whole thing. And then I just had to remove the twists that I had made earlier, so my hair would be a little bit wavy. Also, I just dyed my hair. I have a video about it if you want to check out the process. But I've been really loving this color, so it's really cute and it's very fall themed, so I really like it.
No, I actually always do the same makeup, and I really wanted to get out of my comfort zone, so I picked up black. So I kind of tried to work around it, and this is a finished look. Wow, I broke everything. You want to see the outfit? It's just a black dress.